Psychological Disorders, Chapter 12. The early years of mental illness. A long time ago, people would cut holes in all ill persons' heads to let the evil within out, called tryphony. Hypocrisy thought that mental illness came from an imbalance in the body's four humors: phlegm, black bile, blood, and yellow bile. And then in the Middle Ages, the mentally ill were labeled as witches. Modern day, there are psychiatric hospitals to help the mentally ill feel safe. What is a psychological disorder? Psychological disorders are any pattern of behavior that causes people significant distress, causing them to harm themselves or others, or harms their ability to function in daily life. Explaining psychological disorders. The biological model, psychological disorders have biological or medical causes, a biological change in the chemical, structural, or genetic systems of the body. A behaviorist is where abnormal behavior is learned. Cognitive theorist, when abnormal behavior comes from irrational beliefs and illogical patterns of thought conflicts. Abnormality. Situational context, the social or environmental settings of a person's behavior. Types of psychological disorders. Important sources for psychological disorders. The sources we now have. The Diagnostic and Statistical Manual, 5th edition, the DSM-5, the Manual of Psychological Disorders and Their Symptoms. The DSM-5 describes about 250 different psychological disorders. About 26.2% of American adults over age 18 suffer from a mental disorder yearly. However, only 5.8% suffer from a severe mental disorder. Adults commonly suffer from more than one disorder at a time. The International Classification of Diseases, or also known as the ICD, is an international resource published by the World Health Organization. Anxiety disorders. Anxiety disorders are the main symptoms are expressed as excessive or unrealistic worry and fearfulness. Generalized anxiety disorders are excessive anxieties and worries that occur more days than not for at least 6 months. Phobias. A phobia is an irrational fear of an object, situation, or social activity. Social phobias, or social anxiety disorder, are a fear of interacting with others or being in social situations that might lead to a negative evaluation. Specific phobias are fear of objects or specific situations or events. Claustrophobia, the fear of being in a small enclosed space. Acrophobia, the fear of heights. And then agoraphobia, the fear of being in a place or situation from which escape is difficult or impossible. Panic disorder. Panic disorder are panicked attacks that occur frequently enough to cause the person's difficulty in adjusting to daily life. Panic attacks are sudden onset of intense panic, which multiple physical symptoms of stress occur, like the feeling that one is dying. Causes of anxiety, trauma, and stress disorders. The following are explanations of anxiety disorders: chemical imbalances in a person's nervous system, the person's genetics, the cultural variations, and where you come from. OCD. Obsessive-compulsive disorder is intruding, recurring thoughts of obsessions that create anxiety that is relieved by performing a repetitive behavior or compulsion. Not everything can be considered to be OCD. Stress-related disorders. Acute stress disorder resulting from exposure to a major traumatic stressor. Symptom anxiety, dissociation, recurring nightmares, sleep disturbances, problems in concentrating, and moments in which you relive the event in dreams and flashbacks. These can last as long as a month after the event. Post-traumatic stress disorders, the symptoms associated with acute stress disorder, can last more than 1 month. Post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, may not develop until more than 6 months after a traumatic event. Post-traumatic growth use experience to drive powerful stories. Dissociative disorder. Dissociative disorders are disorders in which there is a break in conscious awareness, memory, and the sense of identity, or in some combination thereof. Dissociative identity disorders, or DID, is a disorder in which an affected person seems to have two or more distinct personalities within one body. Depersonalization, or derealization disorder, are dissociative disorders in which a person suffers and feels detached and disconnected from themselves, their bodies, and their surroundings. Mood disorders. What is affect and its emotions or mood? Mood disorders. Disorders in which mood is severely disturbed. Major depressive disorder. It is a severely depressed mood that comes on suddenly and seems to have no external cause. And they may include thoughts of death or suicide. Also, there is seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, a mood disorder caused by the body's reaction to low levels of sunlight in the winter months. Manic episode, a period of excessive excitement, energy, and elation or irritability. And then there is bipolar disorder, periods of mood that may range from normal to manic, with or without episodes of depression. There is bipolar I disorder, or spans of normal mood. Schizophrenia is a severe disorder in which the person suffers from disordered thinking, bizarre behavior, and hallucinations, and is unable to distinguish between fantasy and reality. Symptoms of schizophrenia. Psychosis or psychotic, the breakaway from an ability to perceive what is real and what is fantasy. Delusions, false beliefs held by a person who refuses to accept evidence of their falseness, or speech and thought disturbances. Symptoms of schizophrenia. Hallucinations are false sensory perceptions, such as hearing voices that do not really exist, usually auditory or visual. Flat affect, a lack of an emotional responsiveness. Catatonia, either wildly excessive movement or a total lack thereof. Types of eating disorders. Anorexia nervosa, a condition in which a person reduces eating to the point that his or her body weight is significantly low or less than minimally expected. In adults, the BMI is usually less than 18.5. Bulimia nervosa, or bulimia, a condition in which a person develops a cycle of binging or overeating enormous amounts of food at one sitting, and then using unhealthy methods to avoid weight gain, such as stooling or vomiting. Binge eating disorder also involves uncontrolled binge eating, but differs from bulimia primarily in that individuals with binge eating disorders do not purge. What can cause an eating disorder? Things that can cause an eating disorder are risk factors. It appears to be simply to be an adolescent or a young adult female, some genetic components, the culture in eating disorders. Having an eating disorder is less common in non-Western cultures, and in other cultures around the world, different values are put on eating and on starvation. Addictions. You can get a physical dependence, withdrawal symptoms. You cannot see a way out of the psychological dependence, self-medicating. Some have dual diagnoses. Mental illness with addiction or self-medicating.